everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a catfish in air fryer. Many people have asked me, does ULTREAN have a bigger model? Yes, they do. These are the free giveaway. And then we have another models, 6 quart and 8.5 quart. This is the biggest air fryer, 8.5 quart. I'll be making catfish in this one. I did posted unboxing video on my other channel, Sidhu DIY. Please check it out. We'll be making a catfish. To make it tasty and delicious catfish in air fryer, these are the ingredients I'm going to use: salt and black pepper. We're going to do the egg wash and then the coating with all-purpose flour, and these are the spices we're going to include into the all-purpose flour: salt, black pepper, degi mirt, and red crushed pepper. These are half teaspoon each, and let's get started. First, we're going to bring all the spices into all-purpose flour. Combine it well. Once it's nicely combined, this is going to be the coating. Spread it evenly. We're going to prepare egg wash. 2 eggs, we'll break it open. With the help of whisk, beat it well. Once nicely beaten, this is good. The first step will be adding salt on catfish. So please add according to your taste. Black pepper. We'll turn these over and repeat the same process. Add salt. Don't add salt too much because we're going to have a salt in our flour. Black pepper. Now we're going to take these catfish pieces into egg wash. Get a fork. With the help of fork, we put it inside. We're going to flip them over just like this. This one time wash, then pick it up, just shake it, and then bring it into all-purpose flour. Turn this one over, and this is going to be nice. So as you can see, this is nicely coated on both sides. Shake it and then put it back into the plate. So I'll finish up the same way. Now we'll take this one to our air fryer basket. We're going to put it inside and then we'll cook it. So I'm going to pull out the air fryer basket and we're going to place catfish just like this. I laid out the catfish. Now I'll place the basket into the air fryer. Now we're going to plug it in. We're going to start it. And this is preset. We're going to look for the fish. That's the fish. And we're going to start it. It's preset at 330 degrees Fahrenheit and for 20 minutes. So we're going to let it cook. You really don't need to open it, but after 10 minutes I'm going to open it. I will show it to you how our catfish is doing. I have a second batch ready, and if we look at now, so it's exactly cooking for 10 minutes. I'm going to open it. You really don't need to open it. Only reason I'm opening it because I'm going to put some lemon juice on top of it. Let me pull the camera back so you can see it. So those pieces are looking really nice. Place some lemon juice on top of it. If you don't have a fresh lemon, you can use as a substitute lemon juice. Look at all the fish pieces. So now we're going to put it back in. And this is the tip I wanted to share with you. When you put it in, never put it any air fryer like this. Go from the side like this. It automatically pushes easily in. And it will start where it left off, 10 more minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'll share with you. 1 more minute to go. We are waiting for the final beat. It's all done. I have my serving plate ready. And I'm going to pull the basket out. It's all done. Let me take it out. The fish don't take that long to cook, and this is oil-free, oil-less cooking. Let me share with you. Prior to serving, lemon butter sauce. How do I make this sauce? I have a poster video on my channel. Please check it out. And this is super yum. Please try it and you're going to like it. Oil-less, oil-free catfish in air fryer. If you like hot food, then definitely add some sriracha like that. Wow, this is really good. ULTREAN air fryer is a perfect to cook the fish within 20 minutes. I hope you like this recipe. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.